I joined a cooking class in Seoul.
You can do it! Everyone, let's flip it. 3, 2, 1, flip!
Yeah!
Flip!
Yeah!
Everyone, you all made it! Yay!
First, we all gathered in Mangwon Station and walked through the Mangwon Market.
Beautiful local restaurant. Please stop your random stores. But whenever you have any questions, make me stop.
We
And
went
these
through
are
different
their
stalls
vegan
in the market
stores.
to learn about basic Korean ingredients and flavors.
Saka ano sila considerate sa sa dietary restrictions.
Finally, we reached our teacher's house.
Before
Before cooking, we reviewed the day's menu and learned basic Korean words.
Oh, super positive. And we have done at the station, but we were shy at the time, right? Let's do it again. Everyone, shake your hand.
Annyeong!
Have you been to Singapore?
네.
Do you like me?
And finally, it's time to cook. We also wore this cute hanbok apron.
Okay.
Guys, welcome to Korea. Very smooth texture, please.
We did almost everything from chopping to slicing to mixing.
Yeah. Let's add half a spoon of garlic.
Everything's easy to follow step by step.
Give me again. Matchy stick.
Sticks.
Yeah, just get a stick.
Our teacher is so animated you wouldn't feel the time running fast. She has so much trivia and stories.
My mom used to make this stew a lot for my breakfast, actually.
Stretching time for the main event.
Teacher.
We're going to flip our jeon or Korean pancakes.
Big pancake. Okay, beautiful. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Do not flip it, do not flip it.
Are you ready? You can do it! Everyone, let's flip it. 3, 2, 1, flip! Everyone, you all made it! Yay!
Guys, enjoy this cooking sound. The sounds like rain.
We garnished our bibimbaps and plated our jeons.
Pancake, pancake. Beautiful. See? Oh my god, so good.
And there's nothing left to do but to eat. They also serve different Korean side dishes with our meals. And of course, makgeolli, a Korea rice liquor. Everything's good especially because we made them.
Do you know how to say cheers in Korean? Chan. Chan. So everyone, please pick it up. Look at me. Send me a beautiful smile. 3, 2, 1, Chan.
What a fun experience.
Easy, right?
Thank you, Teacher Jenny, for our lovely time in your home in Seoul.
Finger, spoon, chopstick, who cares? Big mouthful taco. That's the best way.